if you want to say मुझे market जाना है, then how can you say? You cannot say I have to go market. No, you have to say proper rhythm. I have to go market, like that. You know very well where I have to say that. Hello, if I talk about, I hope you all are doing well. Well, today that video is going to be a very helpful for you because I just talk a genuine topic. Okay, you know what? Why? Because I am also facing a lot of problem, but even I am speaking. So I'm going to talk about such types of things, what you are facing, why you are not able to learn that language, why you are not able to speak that language, and what is the main concept you have to apply to for improving your English language. So please watch this video till the end, because to be honest guys, and genuinely this video is going to be a very helpful for you. Okay, well, my name is Mansi, as you know that. If you don't know, so please visit my channel and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to give your feedback. Okay, well, today that session, those learner who really wants to speak that language, but they are unable to speak that language. Yeah, we can say that they know how to speak that. After that, they are facing a problems. So such types of things I faced already. Okay, you know what? When I was learning that language, I was not interested in that language. But to be honest, guys, I had given a 6 month. Still, I I couldn't speak this language. But slowly, gradually, when I understand what the things I am missing and what the things I have to do, then I have such types of confidence. I am able to speak that language, and today I'm just in front of to you. Still, I'm making a lot of mistake in my conversation, in my sentence, but the confidence what you are seeing on my face, it is it is very helpful for me. It always helped me how to speak, how to show yourself in front of the camera. You know what? Why? Because speaking is not very a big task. Okay, it's not a rocket science. Everybody can speak, but the matter is that where you are speaking, what the step you are following, and how many members in front of to yours. Okay, that is matters a lot. So such types of that negative things, yeah, we can say that unnecessary fear which we are taking, that stop us don't speak that language. So today I'm just to talk about such types of points and views, what I am facing, what I have faced, and what I faced in earlier. So that's such types of things I'm going to share with you today. First thing is that is very important for you. If you are thinking you have to learn that language, you have to speak that language, so first step you have to follow, just amass the confidence. Okay, it not mean only you have a overconfidence, but to be honest, the confidence is very important. It's really help you to improve your fluency. It really help you to speak in front of to anyone. That's why I'm saying you have to work on your confidence. And how can you build your confidence? It is very important to know that. So first thing is that always think like that, I am okay, I can speak. If I am not speak, if I am unable to speak, so nobody here to speak that language. But we cannot think like such types of things all time. So second thing is that you can improve, you can build your confidence watching others, how they are using words, how they are using sentence formations. So such types of videos you can watch. While watching such types of videos, you can we can say that you can do lot of things. Okay, you can improve lot of things. So confidence is very important. This is the, we can say that a number one ingredient. You have to use your journey, and if you are able to use this source, then I'm damn sure you will learn half English. Okay, yeah, there's a lot of people, everybody says to you, you have to complete the tense, but I must say, I think it not I think it's reality. If you have confidence, then you can cover half and half this language. Okay, you know what guys, to be honest, I make mistake in my English. Okay, but you just watching the confidence at my face, I am able to speak that language in front of two camera. It is very difficult task. Okay, everybody cannot speak any single words in front of two camera, but still I am just I have this such types of confidence, and it is really help you. Second thing is that you should work on your pronunciation. pronunciation is also very important to cover yourself. You should work on your pronunciation. How can you work on your pronunciation? You just start watching more and more, you just start listening more and more. Once you consume more, once you observe more, then you are able to speak that language. You know what, guys, when I just record the session, you just heard the noise. पूरा रिदम बिगाड़ दिया इसने, but okay, I try again. So dear, what I'm saying, I just saying okay, just forget it. Yeah, I'm talking about confidence. Yeah, I have just covered this point. I'm talking about pronunciation. You have to work on your pronunciation. Pronunciation is very important. You know what, guys, once you speak English, people start listening you, people start watching you. So people are observing what you are using, what the word you are sounding. Yeah, we can say that what the sentence formation you are doing, that is important a lot. Okay, so once you start natural, once you start speaking natural way, you can give, and this is one thing just help you to to increase your confidence as well. Now we talk about third step is that start taking breathe. What does it mean? Means very simple. Once you speak, you get to know from where you have to take pause, from where you have to take full stop. This is very important. Okay, that's why I say start taking breathe. And how can you build this habit? Once you start speaking, you just watch me. Okay, you just listen me. I'm always trying to pause myself when I have to stop myself. That is very important. Once you start such types of things, people start watching you, people start looking at you, what you are doing, how you are speaking, and that matters a lot. If you speak one sentence like that, if you want to say मुझे market जाना है, then how can you say? You cannot say I have to go market. No, you have to say proper rhythm. I have to go market, like that. You know very well where I have to say that. If we talk about I, we have to take some pause, little pause. If not a some, it's a little pause. I have to साथ में बोलना है. Then you can just stop. That's called modulation. You have to work on this is very important. It's, you know what, when we are watching, when we are listening to someone, don't focus such types of things, but indirectly that all things help you a lot to improve your fluency, to improve your journey, and we can say that to improve your expression as well. Once we talk, अगर मैं कोई बड़ा सा सेंटेंस बोलूँ, यार मुझे लेट हो रहा है और मुझे मार्केट जाना है, so how can you say that? You cannot say like that, I'm getting late, I have to go market. No, it's totally wrong. You have to just use your expression, you have to just take a breath, then you have to speak. So आपने बोला मुझे लेट हो रहा है और मुझे मार्केट जाना है, तो ये सेंटेंस आपको कैसा लग रहा है? आपको ये सेंटेंस ये लग रहा है यार आपको मार्केट भी जाना है और आपको लेट भी हो रहा है, लाइक दैट. ये तो कोई हिंदी का एक्सप्रेशन है. दैट सेम थिंग्स यू हैव टू ऐड योर इंग्लिश कॉन्वर्सेशन. यार I'm getting late, but still I have to go to market. That's called modulation. You have to work such types of point. Once you start working on your such types of views, such types of expression, just see the difference. Okay, I hope you get the point. I hope you understand what I want to say. Okay, what I want to explain you. I think you get it. You got it. Next step is that fourth point is that I think there's a lot of learners who want to be agree with my point of view, but literally I want to suggest start work on your grammar. It's not too much, but of course you should idea about a little grammar. You should start learn grammar, because grammar teach you automatically from where you are making mistake. That's why I'm saying, that's why I'm suggesting as well, you have to start work on grammar. Okay, and how can you start work on your grammar? It's not all topic you have to must read about the grammar. No, just like just choose, just pick one, just pick importance topics which is really helpful, like subject verb agreement. It's helpful. Okay, it's a deep grammar concept, but for communication skill, that concept help you a lot. Subject verb agreement, you know what, if I suggest one rule here: everybody, everyone, someone, nobody, no one, okay, some such types of words. So words always take singular helping verb. if I want to say सभी लोग मार्केट जा रहे हैं, you cannot make like that everybody are going market. You have to use everybody is going to market, and that concept belongs to subject verb agreement. That's why I'm saying grammar is necessary, and you cannot speak such types of things everybody. Yeah, of course reading help you to cover these things, but if you are not if you don't belong to English medium board, yeah, we can say that English atmosphere, so of course you need grammar on that time. There's a trainer as suggested grammar is not important, but for my personal we can say that, but my personal experience that I worked my grammar. Okay, I improved my grammar, then I'm able to know what mistake I am making. Even I am making mistake a lot of while using conversation, while speaking English, but after speaking I just get to know, okay, this mistakes I have done, I have made, so next time I have to improve myself. That's why I'm saying, and you know what, grammar doesn't takes too much time. You have to give only 30 days, and you can learn rule. Because I'm not saying deep grammar is important for communication skills, but little grammar is very important. Okay, please don't think here and there, please don't listen here and there grammar is not important. But of course the people who are speaking English are fluent. I'm not talking about a foreigner, because of course they are not working their grammar portion, but I'm talking about those people who really belong to Hindi medium background and another background. Yeah, we can say another native language. They don't have such types of facilities. They are not good at grammar. So of course, please, those people don't think I don't have to. Reading is important. I can read and I am able to speak that language. This rule, I think. Will follow some people, not for all, because all people has a different mindset, different, we can say that, strength. Okay, if 1 and 2 person are good at reading, and they are able to just absorb things while reading, so of course they can do that. But my personal opinion is that if you are not good at reading, your visualization is not good. As if we talk about myself, if I talk about myself, reading is not my cup of tea. I cannot read more and more. Even I would say I'm not fond of reading. Okay, that's why I start reading in grammar. I start covering the rule of grammar. I start working how to just give the sentence formation. Indirectly I am using grammar. I indirectly am using a lot of constructions of the grammar, but that's why I'm just favoring of grammar. You have to complete these things. Even if you complete, then of course you find out what the mistakes you are making, how to frame the sentence, how to give the structures of your sentence, because grammar teach you. Okay, indirectly grammar makes you teacher. So of course you should start working on your grammar. Grammar is important. Now the fifth step is very important also as well. Fifth step is that you should start work on vocabulary. Why I picked this topic in the last, vocabulary, because everybody says that vocabulary is a vital role, but you just watching me, okay, you are listening me. I didn't use single word, a single typical word which is going to frustrate you, which is going to, you can say that, bothered you. So that's why I just add this step in the last, vocabulary. Yeah, it's a bundle of things, it's a very important. So after doing such types of things, you should start working on your vocabulary. Once you start updated words in your conversations, your speaking is going to be we can say that marvelous. Your speaking is going to be splendid. Your speaking is going to be a mind boggling. So of course you should start working like that. You should start work such types of segment. And believe me guys, if you work such types of things, because I was learning that language once, I had given a 6 month, as I already told you, but it's still I wasn't able to speak that language. Even I understand, but once I start reading, I wasn't able to just understand what is the exact means of this line. So I just realized my mistakes. Okay, that are the things I have to work. Then I'm thinking, okay, that concept is important to improve your English, to improve you as well. Because you know what? Once we start speaking, if we don't know where we have to take pause, where we have to take full stop, where we have to show our expression, so it is not going to, I think, best thing in front of to public also get confused what they are speaking and how they are speaking. That is very important. You know what, your body language matters a lot. After you have a lot of knowledge, but it's still your body is not support body doesn't support you while speaking, then your speaking is going to be a worse. Sometimes you also watch such types of people, they are speaking, though we just thought like that they learn from where. Okay, they learn from somewhere. That's why I'm saying you have to just immerse yourself. You have just start working on yourself, start speaking in front of the mirror. How's the expression you are giving, how's the expression you are using while speaking? That matters a lot. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If any comment you want to deliver, so please, you are free. Let me know in the comment section. And one thing is that I also want to share here, if I made any mistake, you are free, just catch me out, because I'm in the habit of learning a lot. I'm in the habit of covering myself a lot. I'm in the habit of improving a lot of myself. So of course you are free, you can mention me here. And thank you so much for watching this video till now. And that is very important for me. If you are watching, and if you are giving your precious time, and if you are also working like that, and if you want to learn that language, and if you want to speak that language, so of course that all our concept very helpful for you. Thank you so much for stay here. Bye bye, take care, have a good day. Please don't stop your consistency, don't break your consistency, always speak. And if any problem are there, you can just send me mail in directly, and you can ask there what you want to really ask. And I'm also going to start my new batch. So of course, if you want to enroll this, so of course you're most welcome here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care, have a good day.